today I'm going to be doing a deodorant haul. I know that sounds really funny, but I have two favorite deodorant companies that I love to use, and I got some new things from both of them and I wanted to share them with you guys. And I have been dying to smell these, but I have recently, the last couple weeks, I had COVID and I lost my sense of smell, and it's finally come back. So I have been putting off this video for a while, and now I can finally like smell these deodorants and tell you guys what I think about them, which ones I'd recommend, and all of that good stuff. So if you guys have been watching my channel for the last several years, you might be aware that I have two new like deodorant companies that are my favorite. So the first one I really love is Native Deodorant. I switched over to them I think about 3 years ago, and I have not gone back since, and they are like aluminum free deodorants and I love them so much. I don't get that like underarm clogged gunked pore feeling and stuff, you know, that regular deodorants always gave me, and I just love them so much. And then I also really love a deodorant company called Wild. They are a little bit of a newer one to me. I have been using them for about a year now, and they honestly, I love both of them, so I just kind of switch back and forth between the two of them, and they have a lot of really cool things as well. So we're gonna start off with Wild first because they are just a little bit different than your typical natural deodorant company. And everything I'm showing you I paid for myself. None of this was sent to me. This isn't sponsored or anything. It's just a product that I truly really love and I get excited about them. So I wanted to share them with you guys. So like I said, the first one is Wild. Number one, I love how compact their packaging is. Very well thought out, doesn't need a lot of materials, and very eco-friendly as far as the packaging goes. So if you're not familiar with Wild, the cool thing about them is that they actually have refillable deodorant cases. So you just buy the refills, you pop them in. There's a lot less waste with them, and they have some super cute cases. So I actually already own one of the refillable cases, and it's just like a plain pink case and I love it. But they recently had this one and it was so pretty, I wanted to get it as well. Now, yes, I know what you're thinking. The whole point of this is to have a refillable case so you don't keep buying unnecessary plastic, but I have no problem with having two of the refillable cases, and I can justify that in my mind. So when I open it up, this is what I mean by like how perfect the packaging is. So when you open it up like this, there are the refills here that I ordered, and then there is the case here. So this is the refillable case that I ordered. I just thought it was so pretty, I had to get it. This one is called Birds and Berries, I think, and it is by Kath Kidson, and I thought it was just so pretty. I love like the kind of floral like motif on here and like the birds on the branches. It was just so pretty, I had to get it. So I love how it's like an aluminum metal kind of case, so it can really take a beating. And then I love this like peachy color on the inside. I just thought that was so pretty, I had to get it. This one was a limited edition one, so I think this one was actually $13, but I don't mind paying that because you can save this forever. And then while I ordered the case, I decided to pick up a few more refills because I was running low, and they had an Alice in Wonderland collection, and I am a huge fan of Alice in Wonderland, so they definitely sucked me in. So I did get 3 of the refills here in different scents, so I'm going to share with you guys what I think of these. And they also sent these little coupons in here. They are a treat your friends and family to 50% off, so I'm actually just going to give these to you guys, and there are 3 separate codes. Whoever wants to use them, first come, first serve. I will put these on screen and I will probably pin them in a comment below. So if any of you guys are wanting to get 50% off trying any of these products from Wild, then there you go. There's a little free discount for you. Hopefully you guys have fun shopping. And I'm not positive, I may earn a small commission from these if you use these codes. I'm not sure. It doesn't say on here, but if I do, thank you so much for shopping. If I don't earn a commission, that's okay too. So if you are wanting to get any of these, then you can get a little bit of a discount off your order. So the cool thing, like I said, how these are refills, these are the refill cartridges here, and they are made of like a papery kind of like case here, like it's made of paper, so there's no plastic. And then this is all of the waste you have. This is everything. It is a paper sleeve with a paper cartridge. And I'll show you guys in just a minute how to put these into the case. But first I want to share with you guys all of the scents that I got. So the first one that I have here is called Alice's Secret Garden. I am such a sucker for anything Alice in Wonderland. This one smells so good. I'm gonna have to look up the scent notes because I'm just the worst at like picking up notes off the top of my head. But this one is such a good, like, it's a floral, but it has some woodiness to it that really kind of like makes it not a headache inducing floral. You guys know I'm not a huge fan of floral on its own, but this one smells so good. It has a bit of a like a unisex kind of vibe too, like very good. I could see my boyfriend wearing this. I could see me wearing this. This smells so good. Let me look up the notes. I have to know. Okay, so it says that it is vanilla, oud, and white roses. I can definitely smell that now. The rose though is such a nice rose. Like sometimes rose can like be a little hit or miss for me, but something about, it's the oud. Yeah, the oud is what's giving it that warm woodiness that kind of like just plays so well with the floral white rose. And I always love a good vanilla, so that's definitely kind of playing really nicely together. So if you're typically not a floral fan, but you like vanilla and woodsy kind of scents, I think you would actually really like this one. So I'm so glad I picked that one up. That one smells amazing. All right, the next one that I got, this one is called Queen of Hearts Cherry Tarts. Love, love it. So let's smell this one. This is another really good one. I wish these weren't limited edition because they smell so good. They need to make these permanent. Yeah, this one is really good if you like that warm, like juicy berry kind of scent. This one says it is baked cherry tart. It just has that really like rich, deep smell, but it doesn't have like a medicine cherry smell at all. Sometimes those can kind of like make me a little like bleh, but this is not that at all. This one has like that really rich currant kind of smell. Almost has like a little bit of like a warm spiciness to it. So that is another really, really good one. These were all blind buys for me. I do a lot of blind buys on scents and things like that, but honestly, these are not letting me down at all. And the last one that I have, this one's called Mad Hatter's Tea Party. Now this one I'm not seeing on the website anymore. I think it might be sold out, so I'm not sure what the scent of this one is. But this is another really good one. So this one does kind of have a little bit of like a tea scent, but it kind of goes a little like oceany, cucumbery, really like clean ocean air breezy kind of scent. Little bit of like a cucumber mint. This one's really good for like a really like clean kind of smell. This one's so good. Honestly, I cannot decide which one is my favorite. I think all three of those are really good. There's not a single one that I didn't like. And even if you're not into the limited edition scents, they have a lot of like really standard kind of scents. Like they've got orange marmalade, they have fresh cotton sea salt, cherry blossom, ocean mist, thunderstorm, mint and aloe vera, and they have pink grapefruit and lime. So they've just got like all kinds of scents. If these don't really sound up your aisle, they definitely have something for everyone. So I think I'm gonna go for the Mad Hatter's Tea Party, and I'm gonna show you guys how you actually like put these into the case. So down here at the bottom, you just need to pull out this bottom section, and you have this little part right here. Then you take your refill, you put it right on here. There's like a little divot that it sits into, and then you just put it right back into the case and click it shut. So now you have your deodorant stick right here. You just twist it up until you get it where you want it and apply. So super easy to do. And then of course, once it's gone, all you need to do is just pop out that bottom again and throw away the paper container. So I love how simple and easy it is. And of course, I love the pretty cases. I think they have a Paddington Bear case right now at the moment, which is so cute as well. And I think that the orange marmalade scent goes along with the Paddington one. So this one though, the birds and the berries one, I thought it was just so cute. It just spoke to me and I wanted to get it. And I needed to re-up on the refills anyway, so it was perfect perfect timing. So like I said, if you want to get 50% off of your first order, you can use my referral link below. I do earn a small commission from it, so definitely check that out if you're interested in it. And now let's move on to the other new deodorant that I got. So you guys know Native was the first like natural deodorant that I tried, and one thing that I really love about Native is their really fun collections that they do. They do a lot of like brand collabs. They did like Dunkin', they did Doritos, they did Girl Scouts, all kinds of really fun things, and I have loved so many of them. Now I'm not gonna lie, I do have a little bit of a backstock of deodorants at the moment, but when I saw that they came out with this next one, I just had to get it, and it was their 10-year anniversary limited edition scent, and it's called Piece of Cake, and it's like this really delicious decadent vanilla cake scent that I just had to pick up. So the scent of this one is buttercream, sugared strawberries, and whipped vanilla. That is all of my favorite things. I am a gourmand girly through and through. So when I saw that was their newest scent, I had to pick it up. And I've been dying to smell this because I have had no sense of smell, and I'm so glad it has finally come back. So let's go ahead and give this one a sniff. This is so good. This one's really good if you like that sweet, sugary, cakey, pastry kind of vibe, but you don't want something like too crazy. This one smells really, really good. Yeah, this one's so nice. This one reminds me, it's like in the same family of my all-time favorite scent from Native, which was their tie-dye vanilla cupcake scent. That one was, I think it was a collection with the Melissa Bakes. I think it was like Melissa Bakes NYC or something like that. That was like one of the first scents I ever tried from Native, and of course it was like a limited edition one, but it smelled so, so good, like that really like vanilla cake kind of scent. Loved it. This one is in that same kind of family compared to it, so I'm so glad that I picked this one up because it smells so good. And the price of this one was $13. They do have this in regular and a sensitive formula as well. And I couldn't help myself. You guys know I don't like having to pay for shipping, so I decided to get the mini one as well. These are $3 a piece. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of think this is a little bit of a ripoff for how small they are, but I do love keeping one of these in my purse just like for the on-the-go kind of like touch-up kind of thing. So I decided to get the free shipping and just spend like $1 more to get the mini one, so I picked that one up as well. Like I said, I don't really like to buy the minis too often, but they are really nice to like keep in your purse for like a touch-up. I don't think I have any referral links to Native, but I will put the links below, and anything that is a referral will be very clearly marked. Alright guys, so that is it for my most recent deodorant haul. I know this is definitely a very different kind of video, but I really love these deodorant companies. These are my two favorite ones that I've tried, and they are just so, so good. And I have not looked back to regular aluminum deodorant. It's been, like I said, going on, I think this is going to be my 3rd year since I've switched over, and I couldn't be happier. Just all the problems I had with regular deodorants before, I definitely don't have the problem with these, and I just feel so much better when I'm using these types of deodorants. Right guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on social media. Links are below. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.